An air purifier is a device used to purify indoor air. They can effectively remove pollutants like dust, pollen, smoke, pet danders, bacteria, viruses, even harmful chemicals. The working principle of any air purifier is quite simple. It inhales polluted air, removing pollutants. Then release the clean and purified air back into the room. There are various air purifiers on the market. To address specific types of air pollution, the main categories include HEPA filter, activated carbon filter, negative ion generator, UVC light purifier. Let's analyze in detail the working principles of each type and its most suitable target pollutants for removal. HEPA filter, high-efficiency particulate air filter. It is one of the most common and trustworthy types. They are composed of tightly arranged fibers, form a thick cushion layer. When air passes through, the combination of fibers through impact, interception, and diffusion to capture tiny particles. A true HEPA filter can capture 99.97% particles as small as 0.3 micrometers. Therefore, they are very good at removing common allergens, like dust, pollen, mold spores, and even certain bacteria. But please remember that they cannot filter out gas odors or chemical vapors. At this point, activated carbon filters are needed to function effectively. Activated carbon filter is made of porous carbon material, processed to significantly increase its surface area. When air passes through, chemical vapors and gases are absorbed through adsorption, adhere to the surface of carbon. Activated carbon is very good at removing volatile organic compounds, tobacco smoke, cooking odors, and harmful gases such as formaldehyde because they do not capture dust themselves. Solid particles such as pollen. So activated carbon filters are sometimes used in combination with HEPA filters to provide comprehensive air purification, ion generator, or negative ion air purifier, working by releasing negatively charged ions into the air, floating particles such as dust and allergens attached to these ions. So as to make oneself charged, these charged particles will fall back to the ground or settle on the surface of the room. Although ion generators can remove particles from the air, but they won't take these particles. Removal from the environment, unless captured. UVC light purifier. Using shortwave ultraviolet UVC radiation to kill or extinguish microorganisms, such as bacteria, viruses, and fungal spores. When air passes through the UVC lamp in the device, light can damage the DNA or RNA of microorganisms, make them unable to reproduce, and make us sick. When UVC purifiers are usually used in combination with other filtration methods, the effect is the best because they cannot remove solid pollutants from the air, like dust, smoke, or chemical pollutants. Although this technology is very powerful in sterilization, but it is also not without potential drawbacks. It may produce trace amounts of ozone because they cannot remove solid pollutants from the air. Otherwise, the effect is limited for large volumes of air. I hope everyone can learn some knowledge from this video. Thank you for watching. Follow Baren to learn more.